So this is a cool item I was sent to review. This is the HEATIT 120 volt self-regulating pre-assembled water pipe heat cable. This is to protect your pipes from freezing and provide protection while you're away or in the harsh winter on certain pipes in your home that you know are at risk to freeze, or you had problems in the past and you want to solve them. Now this comes in a large range of lengths. It comes all the way from 9 foot all the way up to 100 foot. You could get 120, 140, 160, 18, 3, 6, 60. It just has a wide range of lengths, which is totally cool. So this one is a 24 foot and it's a really compact box and easy to handle. It's very easy to manipulate. It has a nice little feature where you could plug it in and there's no guessing about whether it's on, because the glow from the little glow light in the plug that goes into the wall illuminates nice and clear. This way you know it's on. You have power in the wall feeding the cable, and that's all you need to do. You just wrap it around the cable. It's ETL certified for safety, and it's very well constructed. I feel that this is very heavy and kind of stiff, so this means that there's quite a bit of thick cable in there, and it has a built-in temperature controller. It comes with electrical heat tape so that you could affix it to the pipe, or you could just physically wrap it around in coils. Now it has an easy to read temperature chart where you can see your expected temperature range and how maybe you should go about coiling it, whether you need to just run a straight line or coil it pretty tight, which gets more surface area on the pipe, whether it's plastic or metal, whether it's standing water in the pipe like a water pipe. So this fits a wide range of applications. Pipes near the foundation, in the basement, running along the outside foundation, inside your garage where it's not fully temperature controlled, and you avoid that situation where it's winter, you're not running the water and your pipes freeze. This especially works good for trailers, because underneath trailers in the winter people have a lot of issues with water pipes, and this is a quick and easy solution and a very well made product. And this is what you need. It's great for PEX, galvanized, ABS, plastic, steel, copper, PVC plastic. So if you're looking for something like this to protect your pipes, then look very closely to this one, because I think it's a well built product.